What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, we're going to show you guys how to get the funds on the Cosmos ecosystem. What the snap? Drake did a video on Osmosis, and it's like, how did he get his money over there? Like, what? All right, guys, super easy. So if you guys didn't watch my video on keplr, keplr is just a wallet you guys need to download. I'm saying it so wrong. It's probably keplr or keplr. We're just going to call it kep. Well, we're just going to call it the Keplr wallet because that's what I said. Anyways, guys, we're going to show you guys the keplr wallet, how to get your junk on over to the ecosystem. So, guys, I'm going to peace out. So, peace. Me and Puffy the Mic going to guide you through this. Don't worry. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your funds over to keplr. Keplr is like the name of the game. It's the name of the wallet. It's just like MetaMask. So, first off, we need to get some money over here. How do we get the money over here? Well, you got a couple of options. First step is to buy some Cosmos. Yes, there are other tokens you can buy as well, but you're going to have a problem because Cosmos is really the only one that you can swap over here. There are other tokens as well besides Cosmos. You can do a Kosh if you want to transfer that over, but that one's not as highly liquid as Atom. So, Atom, where you at? Atom is just like one of those tokens that's more liquid. I mean, it's even on Coinbase. So you can use Akash, Crypto.com token. Either of those work if you guys want. But the whole goal is to get your funds onto Osmosis. And then you do your swaps over there. Like me personally, I can't get Akash. But when a Osmosis came out, I was like, snap. I can get some Akash now. So this is like fire sauce. Hey, Tom. Thanks, bro. So let's go to the, well, actually, that's how you swap it. That's cool. But we need to go back to how in the world do we get our funds to keplr. So you go to your keplr wallet, and this is where the fire sauce happens. So first off, you can buy either from Coinbase, you can go to Binance US, you can go to Binance if you guys are that type of person, or you can go to crypto.com. I mean, dude, there are like so many chains. I mean, like literally, you can do like show more, and they'll be like, "What the pants? You need to see more than this." And then you'll be like, "Yeah, bro, because I just like to see what all is out there." But yeah, you can see all the different chains it's on. Me personally, I would prefer to either use a Coinbase, and maybe Crypto.com, but I would just use a Coinbase because I use that as a fiat on ramp. Buy it on Coinbase or actually Coinbase Pro for lower fees, and then I transfer the tokens from Coinbase Pro to Osmosis. Or I'm sorry, not Osmosis, but your keplr wallet. How to get it on your keplr wallet? Well, you withdraw from Coinbase. Coinbase is going to be your easiest way to do it. I'm just going to be straight up honest with you guys. You guys can use like Binance US or Binance if you guys want, but if you guys don't even know how to set up that junk, Coinbase is going to be your best bet. So you literally get this wallet address that's right here, and you send the funds over to this wallet. Now, once they're on this wallet, now it's gangbusters. Now you're going to be using the IBC bridge. So let me show you guys how to use the bridge. All right, so to the bridge. The easiest way to do it is go on Osmosis. So step one, buy on crypto.com, buy on Binance US or Binance or Coinbase. You can buy on either of those chains, and you're going to withdraw from Coinbase, Binance US, etc. Make sure you withdraw through the Atom chain because Tom said so. So you're going to withdraw to your keplr wallet to Atom. So now once the Atom is in your keplr wallet, you need to go to assets. So now once you guys go to assets, you have a couple of options. You can do deposit, withdrawal, etc. We're going to do deposit. So in this scenario, whatever you call it, this is going to take from this wallet to this wallet. So this wallet you guys see here, this is my Atom wallet. So this allows me to deposit straight from Cosmos chain to Osmosis. Now, once I have my funds on Osmosis, they will show up here. As you guys can see, I already have some Atom in the pool. So I can be like, bro, I want to swap my Atom for whatever. Well, I can't do it right here because the one downstairs is already Atom. So let's switch it. Boom. See, it says 12 available. So I was able to swap it over there, and now I can swap it for whatever I want. And then you can go into the pools and provide liquidity for whatever you want. So anyways, guys, that's really how you get your money over to Atom and get it onto the Osmos ecosystem and play around with this junk. I know a lot of you peeps are like, what the pants? There's no decentralized way. Well, no, not yet. They're going to have the Gravity Dex and Gravity Bridge. They'll also have a bridge called Wormhole. Guys, they got a lot of peeps working on this. They're even going to have a bridge coming out going from Terra to Cosmos, guys. I'll also make a video on how to get your funds over on Terra as well. But yes, this is the decentralized way that is coming. So it'll allow you to take your money from Ethereum over to Atom. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get back into the video. So guys, that was just a quick and easy video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys didn't, that's okay. If you guys did, make sure you guys do 3 things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC, guys. And as always, guys, we will leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 24. Do not make friends with a hot-tempered person. Do not associate with one easily angered, or you may learn their ways and get yourself ensnared. Dude, that is so true, man. Especially the people you surround yourself with are going to be a major influence on your life. So if they're like quick to anger, then it's like, ah, snap. I'm just going to be like a firecracker on roids because I'm always going to be quickly angered. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. If you guys want to support the channel, here's a link to Gitcoin grants. Here's a quick profile overview. Links in the description below as well. But basically, they help support the channel through quadratic funding. If you're unfamiliar how this works, is if 10 people deposit or if they support the channel with a donation of $10, the match amount is going to be way higher than it would be if one person who did $10. So if you guys are choosing to support the channel, when you guys are supporting it, there is a quadratic funding mechanism that is on Gitcoin right now. Basically what it means is the more people that support the channel, it doesn't even have to be a crazy amount. It could just be $1, $2. But what happens is Bitcoin will match that through a quadratic formula. So the more people that support the channel, it'll match that amount with a higher amount. And a good thing about donating through Gitcoin, you don't have to just donate to me, or you don't even have to donate at all. Make sure you guys give. I mean, giving's a really good thing to do. Make sure you look at other protocols that you want to support, or other channels, or other influencers, or other developers that you want to support. Participating in something like the Gitcoin grants or anything on Gitcoin, it actually enabled me to get into several different airdrops. So if you guys are wanting to get into airdrop, donate like a couple dollars or anything. I mean, I've donated a couple dollars on my account. It gave me airdrop. So basically the airdrop paid for it, and I still keep giving back to the community because I understand that, guys, we're still early in crypto and we need to support it as much as we can. Gotta say thanks to the patrons. We got Scott Bot, Doman, Tariq Liu, T.O. King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.